Let's make a pirate-themed pop-up Father's Day card. Starting off with the brown cardstock from the Pirate Paper Pack from Baker Ross, I'm drawing a template for the treasure chest. I'll go ahead and cut this out and fold along all the edges so this will pop up and hold its shape nicely. Then using a gold deco pen, I'll add some detail and start working on the card base. Using a glue stick, I'm going to add some light blue paper for the sky, followed by dark blue for the sea, and then this sandbank at the bottom. Next, I'm using a foam pirate ship stamp and some ink. Go ahead and ink that up and press it down onto some more white card, and then add some more gold detail using that same gold paint pen. Once we've cut it out, we'll stick it down to the front and then add some sunken treasure using these pirate stickers. I'll attach the treasure chest using double-sided tape and decorate the inside with some more stickers. And there you have your finished Father's Day card.